Hi, myself Disha Patel. Me and my team members will be talking about how cloud computing is changing business. First of all, let us define the term. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is nothing but it allows us to access the resources and save information over the internet, and we don't need hard drive to save. Now, there are three main categories that define the term cloud computing in business. First of all, that is software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Let's talk about software as a service. What is software as a service? Software as a service is that when a business subscribes to an application it wants to use. Now, what is platform as a service? Platform as a service means that the business is creating its own custom application that allows all the users that are working in that network. Means if there is one big organization, it creates its own application, then that application will be used by all the employees working in that organization. That is platform as a service. Now, the most important and one of the three categories is infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service provides virtual resources to the business like Google, Amazon. Also, for example, the three main categories of cloud computing. The cloud computing has allowed the business to experiment new things, try new things, find solution to new things. This is the way how it has been helpful and have innovative ideas so that they can implement it, use it, or see whether it's working or not. Because there's nothing to worry about. There's no hardware. Everything we are doing is that we are storing it on internet. So there is no side effects of it that our hard drive will crash if we do this or that. So everything you need to store is on the internet. Cloud is just a matter for the
Hi
internet.
everyone, I'm Dalvi. I'm going to express my views about cloud computing in small business and its benefits. Cloud computing is a great way that small business owners can save money, time and hassle on a daily basis. Here are few benefits of cloud for small business. The first one is it reduces the cost. Cloud hosted servers enable mass scale computing power and minimize IT requirement and physical storage, providing a significant savings. It can be like cloud computing is accessible anywhere, anytime. Like cloud hosted desktops allow users to access their files anytime using any device. Files no longer stuck on the single computer, and it provides ease of collaboration, like saving and accessing files to the cloud allows everyone to work from the same master document. Administrators can implement access and permission controls. It also reduces the risk about security. The cloud adds security for its users by backing up data offsite, decreasing the potential for the hackers, viruses, and cyber security issues. It also improves the efficiency. After migrating to the cloud, companies no longer worry about power requirements, space considerations, or software updates. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Zaid Islam Khan. As the world of information of data continues to expand, the cloud is expanding along with it, and nowhere is the cloud presence more appreciated than the information heavy, always growing corporate arena. Because cloud services provider take all the maintenance and system updates, it means large businesses can cut their IT budgets in half. Cloud computing services do not cost money, but it's a fraction of the cost on-site IT services. Likewise, because the cloud servers and other related equipments are houses off-site, the corporate world can save money by avoiding expensive equipment upgrades and upkeep. Cloud technology enables the companies to use the latest version of the software that gets automatically updated to meet users' needs. Also, all the users of the cloud-based software are always on the same version of the release. It negates the issue of incompatibility and having to update it manually to match other users' version. Every company wants their staffing and recruitment application to be scalable and cost-effective. Ideal human resources software should be easy to use, which could be accessible from anywhere. This is where cloud-based HR software comes in, which makes recruitment easier. Additionally, 60% of respondents said cloud computing has reduced the need of their IT team to maintain infrastructure, giving them more time to focus on strategy and innovation. And indeed, 62% of companies that have saved money are reinvesting their savings back into the business to increase headcount, boost wages, and drive product innovation. The cost benefit are just another one of the many reasons why more corporate giants are following the cloud in order to make their working worlds better. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I am Virendra Singh, and today I am discuss about security in cloud computing. As everyone knows, security is the big argument in cloud computing these days. However, one might people argues that that it is most secure in the cloud computing than in actual local by subsidies, and it is especially for small or mid-sized companies. There are a few reasons why it is secure for these countries. First of all, it's multifunctional authentication. It is a method in which security system that requires more than one method of authentication from independent categories of credentials to verify the user's identity for a login or other transactions. Moreover, and these people also likes to do a lot of stuff in this one. Moreover, the second main reason is for security certification. Like most of industries have IT certification for their privacy or even other stuffs, but it is too expensive for small or mid-sized companies. So with the help of this one, they use cloud computing, which has these in their authentication and certification in their rule as their first. And the last one is physical certification. Like in cloud computing often provides, but their systems, the facilities and other stuff is also in their strong physical arguments and certification in their stuff. So in this way, the small companies use this one to have that certificates.
In contrast, I would like to say that cloud computing is changing nowadays, changing the economy of developed as well as developing countries. The use of cloud computing has been increased since the last years. We have been using the cloud computing. Now you can see cloud computing in big businesses as well as small businesses. Cloud computing will help the small businesses to develop and help their productivity to increase. Now we can say that cloud enables your IT infrastructure to evolve as quickly as the business does. So all I would like to say that cloud computing is changing and increasing the economy of developed as well as developing countries, and also helping the business to increase their productivity and security. Thank you.